Hi, Les Hall here with another idea for providing purified water to the third world. This method does not require any 3D printing. It does require 3 containers instead of 1 container and a 3D printed object, which was the previous design. Okay, well this one, we have a large outer container. You can see in the transparent white. And then in the transparent blue here, we have a container that is upside down. This could be a jar upside down, a 2-liter bottle with the bottom cut off of it, or something made for the purpose. And then in the bottom center, we have the container of the water to be purified, the dirty water. So the dirty water sits in this interior container. Sunlight comes and strikes the whole thing, heats it up, and that water then evaporates, some of it does, and collects on the blue container, and then it condenses and drips down. The blue container needs to have some kind of a cone or taper to it to make this happen. The water drips down to the bottom, which is open, where it collects in the large container. Then, when you're all done, you've let it sit in the sun for a few days, you open up the large container, you remove the blue container, and you remove the black dirty water container. And what you're left with is some level in there of clean water. At least a whole lot cleaner than it was, which is saying a lot for a lot of people in the world. I will not get into the significance of this. I mean, I'm a bit taken aback. For one thing, this must already be known. People have been looking at distillation systems for a long time, and this arrangement must be known. And all we have to do is go out into the field in the third world and put this into place, and then we can solve the problem of people dying from drinking dirty water. It's so simple. There's so little to be done. We don't even have to 3D print an object or injection mold an object and send it to the third world from the first world in cargo containers like I was thinking we might have to do. We don't have to locate manufacturing around the world and crank these things out. We just use what's available. Creatively, this could be 100 different forms, 1,000, many thousands of different forms. Could be copper parts, like an old still. Just a little. Anyway, that's all I have to say, and I hope that you will tell your friends and neighbors about this. And if you know somebody who can help spread the word and get it to the right people, then please do so, because we need to make this happen. People are dying in huge numbers. There is supposedly the number of children dying of dirty water consumption is equivalent to 8 jumbo jets crashing every day. Okay, that has to stop. And this is how. Praise the Lord. Bless out.